Today we travel to one of the largest abandoned factories in the US, worth billions. This coking plant spent over $1 billion just 3 years before going bankrupt to upgrade their equipment, which has now been left to rot for over 10 years. A coking plant or a coking factory is where coke and manufactured gas are synthesized from coal using a dry distillation process. Made from crushed coal cooked at an extremely high temperature, coke is a key raw material in iron making. Join us as we sneak around active factories and walk miles early in the morning in negative-degree weather to see what is left of this factory, able to produce over 600,000 tons of coke per year.
Everything is frozen, dude. All the water's frozen down there. If anybody knows what this is, let us know. We're trying to figure out what the hell that thing is. I think we just keep going down. I say we just climb up that and we can see.
I already thought about it.
I think if you get up tall enough, that'll just shock the out of you. I don't see nothing but those cameras down there. We should be trying to get this one. On this side.
The security check?
Yeah,
It's over there?
I think so. I think that's what he said, because he said there was a void. Certain area. So we're here. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, let's say we go in this little corner.
Yeah, we should probably stick to one side.
Right.
All the way to that fucking fence and down on the fucking
Yeah. This looks crazy. It looks like a little town. Like right here. It looks like a town almost. Say we just explore around. Let me put my flashlight on. Do you see that little sensor blinking? Where's TP? There's something blinking in there, which is weird. Whoa.
I want to go to the top of all of them, but I want to go
Gotcha.
to the one first.
Yeah, big one first. It looks like a town.
It's like actually pretty chill. It is just, it's weird how all the doors are open.
Yeah.
Like, you know they at least check on it once in a while, so you would think they were trying to see it.
Right.
I wish it was so big they don't care.
It's just, it looks like a whole ghost town.
If we went up to that long tube, I think we can make it to the top.
Yeah,
They're connected, isn't it?
I think so.
Let's go up this way.
I think this is it. Yeah, this is the bridge. Yo, look at this. This is wild. But this right here, that goes up and then it turns. I think this goes to the top, right?
I don't know, but I know we can get there from the outside.
Oh, that's true. Outside stairs kind of amazing. Does this go anywhere?
Damn, bro, it's a whole other part.
I know. Does this go anywhere? This leads right there. Yeah, right here. See, that's active, I think. Yeah.
We just gotta avoid that part.
Right.
This is the main event right here.
Yeah. Dude, this looks wild.
Dude, being up there is gonna be crazy.
I know. Here, will you take my bag? We're good. That's crazy, man. Wow. That's insane. Yeah, we're good. Holy it is it? Well, we're in the building now.
Careful with the floor, man.
I know.
How do you think you get to it?
There's gotta be stairs.
Should we go back down to the other side?
Well, it loops around right here. I think I see maybe stairs, but they're on the other side. Oh, here they are. They're down here. Oh my god.
You trust that?
I mean, we're gonna, yeah, trust it. It's got a bunch of dirt on it. It's holding all the weight. These poor Jordans, dude. I wonder what all this is. Do you think it's steel? Like dirt from the steel?
I don't know, probably.
Look how dusty it is in there.
Hey, buddy boy.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, we in. Now we just gotta find a way to the top.
Thanks. Damn. Oh, that's got a
No tag.
key card. Oh, there we go.
These stairs, maybe?
I think so. They're cut off, but
I mean, we can climb up right there easy.
climb up that?
I hope you're right. Right here. Let's get.
That whole stairwell. Do I? I got coal in my face. Oh, we're not at the top yet, bro. We got a long way. We got a long way. Beautiful. We're at the top. That was a long walk up. This is incredible though.
It's breathtaking.
I know.
Oh, it's not. We should go to the other side over there. Where they even leaned out, dude.
Yeah,
So you can go down the route that we know where he went up it.
yeah. Crazy. I'm coming. Is it flooded?
Yeah.
Yo, it's still water. It's like blue.
It looks like it's moving.
Yeah. This is cool. Whoa. So this is like, damn, so these are old pictures of the place. Fine clears. It looks a lot different back then. Like acceptable and unacceptable mustaches.
What?
It's because you have to wear the respirator. You can't have it with.
2014, so it didn't shut down too long ago. Oh, there's more like pictures and stuff. it's all just very, like decayed. Keep out burning and welding in progress.
End of the year. Really glad I got to experience this with y'all.
Yeah.
Fucking glad.
Oh god, I'm glad we went out here.
Yeah.